This quick guide shows a safe function keys battery replacement on a MacBook Pro 13-inch late 2016. Power off, unplug, and ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap before you begin. Gather tools, pentalobe and tri-point drivers, a spudger, plastic picks, tweezers, and isopropyl alcohol. Remove the pentalobe screws from the lower case and lift the bottom panel carefully. Locate the small backup battery behind the function key area and unscrew its bracket carefully. Disconnect the flat battery cable from the logic board, lifting the connector straight up to avoid damage. Gently pry the old battery free, using isopropyl alcohol to soften adhesive if needed. Place the new replacement battery in the same orientation and press it into the adhesive. Reconnect the flat cable, replace the retaining bracket, and tighten screws evenly but not over-tightened. Inspect all connections, remove any residue, and verify no cables are pinched before closing up. Reattach the lower case and reinstall the pentalobe screws, tightening them to a firm and snug. Before, unresponsive or low function keys. After, function keys respond and battery shows stable voltage. If unsure, consult a professional.